Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas. I want to show you the 2024-21 Montauk by Boston Whaler. This is and always has been one of our best sellers because it's capable of doing so many things great. This boat can be a great bay boat, freshwater boat, saltwater boat. It can even do some great offshore. It is an unsinkable legend like all Boston Whalers. This one is in the gorgeous green color. It's actually one of my favorite colors. We did the white graphics, which really sets it off nicely. You can actually pick different color graphics for the boat. Notice the hardtop we have on this boat. We've got the green color on the bottom side of the hardtop as well. This boat's already equipped with electronics. We've got a 200 Merc painted white on the back. Beautiful package. It's already on a galvanized trailer and set up for saltwater use. Come on aboard the swim platform here, and I'm going to show you some other great features on the boat. Starting back here in the back, we've got a really nice fishing platform, but tucked away under the platform are these really nice jump seats, great for family use. Check out the speakers and drink holders. Rod holders in the back, both sides. Cleats are in the right spot. I really like this leaning post live well system. We've got a really nice live well, tool rack, more drink holders, more rod holders, and I like the drop up bolsters or flip up bolsters. Great helm. We've already got the Simrad GPS fish finder on here. JL audio system, Simrad VHF radio, and this boat's got a really large compartment that you can use for storage or even a head compartment. And by having it in the middle, the deepest part of the boat, you really have a lot of headroom there. Recessed handrails. This is a cool feature. It's a portable igloo with a really nice matching cushion on top. You can actually take it in and out, but it makes a great seat. Coming forward here, we've got a fish box that drains overboard. And in front of it, we've got a really nice anchor locker that drains overboard. You could certainly use it for other equipment if you wanted to. And this boat has a deep V under it, but the Montauk series have these wider gunnels up here. So you've got plenty of room for fishing. We can mount you a trolling motor on here. You can do just about anything you want with this boat. And it is just one of our many great offerings here at MarineMax in Seabrook. My name's Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.